Okay, so we click on Sketch, and this is the plane that you want to select on, and you're going to use the line tool, and on your sketch palette you should be able to just select on construction. And what that does, it doesn't recognise the line as a line that you can extrude, it just recognises it as a construction. So what we're going to do, we're just going to do one of these triangles, and I'm going to do 120. So that's what I'd sort of suggest if you've got something fairly simple, just to do one. This is going to be 60 degrees, so press tab, 60 degrees, and tab again, 120, we'll do the dimensions, enter, and then just joining that directly up is going to be my right angle triangle. Okay, then what I'm going to do is use offset. It's going to ask for a chain, which is fine, but I'm going to select here to now draw lines which the software will see that I can extrude. I'm just selecting on that. I'm typing in 2 and enter, so that's done an offset to that. I do it again. This time I'm selecting here, but now I want to write -2 and it will offset on the inside. So I'm doing pretty good. Now I just want to replicate that a number of times. To do that I go to modify and down to move copy. I drag a window over it, and then in here my move copy palette, I just go copy. And then what I should be able to do is come and just grab on this and drag it out to 120. You'll have a -120 there, which is great. And then OK. I'll do that again, move copy, but this time I want it on both sides. Let's try it again. Sometimes it loves you, sometimes it doesn't. Love-hate relationship, and then move copy. This time we're going to 240, which is double the distance. In 240, boom. Okay, and now the same on the other side. Do I have one too many? Yes.
No, you just need one more.
I need it on the other side, don't I? So I don't need this one. So I'm going to delete that. Boom, it's gone. So yeah, I'm going to do this on the other side. So I go File, Move Copy, and moving this over, I'm going to drag it out. Oh, you know what I didn't do? Everybody saw what I didn't do when I went Move Copy. I didn't select Create a Copy. Okay. I am going to get this right eventually. Move Copy, drag a window over. Again, move copy, drag a window over. Why don't you like me, Fusion? And now I here and I drag it over to the other side. Beautiful. But I have to get the dimensions correcto. There we go. And then OK. All right, the last thing that I'm going to do is my bottom line. Okay, so I just draw it in. I do want this to be construction. Now where I want this, oh no, I can do it. I'm not going to do a construction, I'm going to do the real deal. So I'm going to get on the very bottom here. I'm going to draw it all the way over to the other side. Boom. And then I'm going to do an offset of that 4 mil up. 4 mil up, boom. Okay. So it's looking pretty good. I could extrude that if I want to, but I just need to clean up a little bit these corners. To do that, I'm just using the trim tool, and I just want to trim here and here. Didn't do what I wanted, so go back, trim here, great, and here, and just go all the way around.
Do you trim the construction lines there?
You can if you want to, but it's not necessary. So just move around the whole thing and trim as you go. Okay, so you've got the one line, and then what you should be able to do, you don't necessarily have to do that. You could just go Finish Sketch, and when you go to Extrusion, it'll allow you to select areas to extrude, so you have to get all the little areas, bits and pieces in the extrusion. So you don't have to do the trim process, but it just makes it a simpler and easier process. Okay, so go through the whole thing. Okay, boom. That should be all of it. Just double check. Okay. And we're just going to grab here and go to 3 mil. And there you rock and roll. Okay, so I'm just going to stop that, load it onto, it's only 5 minutes.